Hi, first grade. If you're coming into my live class, awesome. Which emoji are you today? Are you a grinning face? Are you a silly face? Are you kind of neutral today? Or are you worried? Maybe you're sad. That's okay. Put it in the chat. I want to know how you are today. If you're not live with me right now and you're watching this later, that's okay too. For everyone, take a look around my classroom. Is there anything interesting that you see? Let's see. I see a guitar on the wall, some hanging plants, a cool poster that says music is my life. Ooh, what's that in the music library? Perhaps it's something we're going to be listening to later today. Today, you're going to need something to use as a percussion instrument. If you have a drum, that's really cool. You can bang your drum with us. If not, you can use your desk. You can use your body. Whatever you have that's a percussion instrument, you can use today. All right, before we do this, we're going to sing the hello song, and you're just going to repeat right after me. Hello there. How are you? It's so good to see you. We'll sing and be happy that we're all here together again. Awesome. Today, you're going to be able to demonstrate a steady beat by using your voice and by playing instruments. A few things about me, if you didn't read up on me yet. I am married to Mr. Bo. I have a doggo named Lena. She is half golden retriever and half yellow lab. She is very energetic. I also like to sing, create art, work out, cook, read, and play guitar with my husband. And here is a picture of us. Lena's a really happy dog. All right, before anything else, if you're with me, I'm going to put this link in the chat to this Padlet. And you're going to go and you're going to put your name as the title. You got to click the little plus button in the corner if you haven't made one yet. But you'll click the plus button or anywhere on there, you'll double click and you put your name as a title. And then I want you to tell me 3 things that you want me to know about you. And then a picture of your face. Now, if you are not with me live and you want to do this, you can do this on your own time, and you can even make a video if you're not comfortable spelling. But you can tell me 3 things about you. And if you're going to do that later, at least keep in mind the 3 things that you want to tell me about that you like. All right, we have some quality class behavior, and it goes like this. Follow directions. Be respectful. Be responsible. Try your best and have fun. Those are my 5 goes. So follow directions. That means when I ask you to do something, please do it. Normally I'm doing it to keep us on track, and I'm trying to help you out as best I can. Please be respectful. That means using good language and using the chat only for things that we'll be doing in class. Please be responsible with what you have around you so you're not getting distracted. Try your best. I know that some people think, oh, I'm a little scared, Mrs. Bo, to sing or to play and to show myself. That's okay. I was really shy too when I was younger. And now I'm not so shy anymore because I realize that it just doesn't really matter. And finally, have fun. We're going to have so much fun singing and playing. Like I said, please be respectful of others. That means me or anyone else who's speaking who has permission to speak during the live sessions. So please make sure to mute when you're asked, and please have the camera on your face because I want to see your faces. Please keep our conversations on the right track. All questions and comments should be related to the learning at hand. If you have a question, you can raise your little hand. If it's a comment, but it can wait, then just hang on to it until the end. All right, friends. I'm not going to play this video right now, but what you're going to do on your own is listen to this video. It has to do with the nutcracker that we saw, and you're going to pat your knees or your shoulders to the steady beat. And then for those of us who are live, we are going to show the steady beat. You are going to show the steady beat, and we're going to follow you. So we'll follow your steady beat, whether it's fast or whether it's slow. We'll follow you. And then we're going to try speaking in a steady beat. And then we're going to play the rhythms using our body, the desk, the drum, a shaker, anything we can find. Finally, we'll have an exit ticket. If you're on It's Learning, you're going to click the next button. All right, friends. And then we'll wrap up with our So Long Farewell song. I hope that you will join me online and live right after this. If not, you'll see the So Long Farewell song right after this. I'll talk to you soon.